My destination is an hour and a half or maybe a little less away from home, and I'm right now on NH66. I should hopefully be there before 4:30 a.m. and I should be able to get the Milky Way, considering that today is a new moon day. The skies were kind of clear when I left, so keeping my fingers crossed, and right now zooming on NH66 to reach my destination as soon as possible. I've reached my destination. In front of me is the beach, and there is an estuary here. I'm hoping to get the Milky Way above that part of the beach. I was in another beach earlier this week and I got a beautiful view of the Milky Way. There was not much happening in the foreground, so I was not very happy with that composition. I don't know how this composition is going to work out. I've only been here during the day. So let me head out and check the location, check the light pollution. It does look sufficiently dark, but the camera tends to be more sensitive. So let me step out and take a look. I have this doggo that's come to greet me. Hello, good morning. So I'm not much of a coffee or a tea drinker. The only thing that I have going for me, my stimulant, is a sense of purpose. We live in times where a common man like me can capture the Milky Way with just a DSLR and the right techniques. But yet, a majority of the population has no idea what is above them. I recently ditched my Sony full frame camera and I'm using the Canon R6 extensively. I have two ultra wide angle lenses, the IRIX 12mm f4 lens and the IRIX 15mm f2.4 lens. I do have a Sony body. This is the Sony a6100, which I've got converted into an IR camera, and I have the 1635 GM lens for the Sony a6100. I also have the Sony 21mm f1.8 lens. This Sony body is a crop sensor body, so these are not very wide on this Sony camera. These are lenses which I used to use on my Sony full frame camera. I also have my star tracker here, which is the MSM rotator. So let's put all of this gear into action. I'm closer to the estuary now. There is water over here. The land is also wet because the water from the ocean has also come quite into the beach at night. Right now it has receded. My eyes have got adjusted to the dark. It was a bit eerie because I'm alone in this beach and there is water on one side, there's water here. And there are two dogs keeping me company. There's one running around playing, there's one sitting here and watching what I'm doing. There was a cat which saw me and ran away. So apart from these animals, I hope there are no creatures that will devour me and make me disappear. There are two strong sources of light. One is near the parking lot and the other one is from this house over here. I can see the Milky Way. It's beautiful, it's clear, it's dark. There is light pollution at the horizon, of course, but that was expected. So the plan is to shoot a panorama with my star tracker. So it's quite a bit of work. Right now it is 5. I have about half an hour of night time left, after which it becomes blue hour. So let me get started. It's 6:15 a.m. now. The sun is going to rise in about half an hour. In the short window that I had to shoot the Milky Way, I made a few panoramas. I have to head back home, stitch them, and see how they have turned out. So next time I come here, I'm going to head out to that hillock on top and get some Milky Way shots. Hopefully the sky will be clear in April, because from May the monsoons will start. But for now, I'm shooting a time lapse of the sunrise, after which I'll head back home and start processing my images.